Hello everyone, this is Pooja and this is our next maths class for 8th class student. Student, as we already discussed in our previous classes about the rational numbers, representation of rational number on number line. And today I am going to start how can you find out rational numbers between given two rational numbers. And we are going to solve our exercise 1.2. So student, finding rational numbers between two rational number. How can we find rational number between two rational number? First is the simplest method to find a rational number between two rational numbers x and y is to divide their sum by 2. Means suppose if two rational numbers are given x and y, generally we are taking here x and y. So if two rational number, for example you can see here 3 and 4. 3 we can write 3 in a form of rational number 3 upon 1 and we can also write 4 in a form of rational number 4 upon 1. So here you can see that I have two rational number 3 upon 1 and 4 upon 1. So if we have to find out a rational number, means I am asking about one rational number. So simply what we have to done, so we will take the sum of these two number and then I will divide it by 2. So the rational number between them is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 and the sum of 3 plus 4 I will divide it by 2. So 3 plus 4 will be equal to 7 and 7 divided by 2. So the number between 3 and 4 will be equal to 7 upon 2. Next point is for number with common denominator like 3 upon 20 and 9 upon 20. If we have two rational numbers and both rational number have the same denominator. For example, I am taking here 3 upon 20 and 9 upon 20 and both have same denominator 20. As you can see here, both have same denominator. So in this case, what you have to do, in this case, the rational number between them can be, we can write because our denominator is same, so we can easily write down the numbers between them. 3 and 9. We can write down all the numbers lies between 3 and 9 because our denominator is same here. So we can write 4 upon 20, 5 upon 20 and 6 upon 20, 7 upon 20 and 8 upon 20. And with same denominator, so I can write easily the number lies between these two numbers 3 and 9. I will write down 4 upon 20, 5 upon 20, 6 upon 20, 7 upon 20 and 8 upon 20. Because our denominator is same, so we can easily write down the numbers lies between these two numbers. And if I have a negative and a positive number, means minus 3 upon 20 and 3 upon 20. So I can also write down numbers like this form, minus 2 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, 0 upon 20, 1 upon 20 and 2 upon 20. And in next case, for finding rational numbers between two numbers, rational numbers with different denominator. Student, we already discussed about the rational numbers which have same denominator. But if the denominators are different, then first find their equivalent fraction with the same denominator. Student, first we will find the equivalent fraction with the same denominator and then we find the rational number between them. Means first of all we have to make their denominator same. For example, look at here, I am taking here two rational number minus 1 upon 3 and 5 upon 9 and both have different denominator 3 and 9. So first we will take its LCM to make its denominator same. 3 and 9 LCM will be 9. So we will multiply and divide minus 1 by 3 by 3. We will multiply this 1 by 3 by 3 and 3. We will multiply and divide it by 3 because we have to make this denominator 9 because our LCM is 9. So I will get minus 3 upon 9. And in the same way, and our next number is 5 upon 9. So its denominator is already 9. So no need to multiply it. Now I have to write down the number. Now I will get minus 3 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. And we make its denominator same, 9. So now we can write down the numbers lies between minus 3 and 5. That will be minus 2 upon 9, minus 1 upon 9, 0 upon 9, 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9 or 4 upon 9. So we can write down these rational number between given two rational number with different denominators. So first of all we have to convert its denominator and then we will find the rational numbers lies between them. Our third question of exercise 1.2 is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. It's a very simple question that we have to write down the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So we can note down any 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 5 and so on. There are so many numbers. You can write down any 5 numbers which are less than 2. Our next question, question number 5 of exercise 1.2 is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 by 2. We have to find out rational number between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 by 2. As you can see here, our denominator is different. So first of all, we have to convert these denominator. So we will take the LCM of 5 and 2. So the LCM of 5 and 2 will be equal to, first of all, we will take LCM of 5 and 2. So LCM of 5 and 2 will be equal to 10. Now our first rational number is 2 upon 5. So to make its denominator 10, we will multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So I will get 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2, that will be minus 4. And this 5 into 2, I will get 10. So I will get minus 4 upon 10. Now our next rational number is 1 upon 2. And to make its denominator 10, we have to multiply and divide it number by 5. So 1 into 5 will be 5 and 2 into 5 will be 10. So now I am getting two rational number with same denominator, minus 4 upon 10 and minus 5 upon 10. Now I can easily write down the numbers lies between these two rational numbers. But we have to find out the 10 rational number, and minus 4 and 5. The number lies between minus 4 and now again I am going to multiply and divide this minus 4 by 10 by 2 and this 5 by 10 by 2 to make its denominator again same 20, and we can get the large range we can get the number minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20, and now we can easily write down the 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. So our 10 rational number will be minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, and these are the rational numbers lies between minus 2.5 and 1 by 2. In our fifth question, same, find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 2, first part 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. In first question, we have to find out the 5 rational numbers. So again, you can see here, denominator is different, 3 and 5 denominator are different. So first we will take LCM and make the denominator same. So after taking the LCM of 3 and 5, I will get 15. So I will multiply this number 2 upon 3 by 5 and also divided by 5. So I will get 2 into 5, that will be 10, and 3 into 5 will be 15. So our first number will be 10 upon 15, and our next number will be 4 upon 5. Multiply and divide it again by 3 so that we can get the same denominator. So after solving this, I will get 12 upon 15. Now our numbers are 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. So now I can easily write down the numbers lies between these numbers. But as you can see here, 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 50, between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, I have only one number, 11 upon 15, but we have to not write down 5 rational number. So again I will do that 10 upon 15 multiply and divide by 4 so that I can get a greater number, rational number, 40 upon 60, and next number I will get 48 upon 60. Now I will get the large range. So now I can write down easily 5 rational number between these. First, when I divide it by multiply and divide and make the denominator 15, but it's a very small range and I cannot write down 5 rational number between them. So again we will do this step so that we can get the large scale range and we can write down the 5 rational numbers between them. So student, I hope all points are clear that how can we find out the rational numbers between two rational number if denominator is same and denominators are different. So you will do all these questions in your notebook, and next we will discuss our next topic in our next video. Till then students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.